这样。
la regiona mama tela tara lo to kwate pa
Kaheli poi Padunyo
tela tara no la le
ba wa da bi me ma ra chu ra cha ji ge da kla la ji ge sa ki ma ra ko
alo le awe ke le ka ba yo ke te ke ka ba yo la
Awila chabya awila boy gena ko wala na ko kinari yo
Hello. See you.
See you next time.
See you next time.
Next week.
Yes we.
ni su ya du ba
Yeah. See you next year. Wala lele bono.
Ya ora pada wala sida yo ji.
Ya dala awe. Arizona. Dotcom. Dotcom. Hila gana. Yala kapag apply sa kigate nalala ako puli nalala ako lamang
Ashley's Black Friday mattress sale is going on now. Pay 0% interest for 60 months on in-store mattress purchases. Or beat the rush on mattress doorbusters starting at just $199.99. Plus, you can save up to $1,000 on select mattresses. Only at Ashley.
Numbers move you, but some can stop you in your tracks. Like the tens of thousands of people who were diagnosed with certain HPV-related cancers. For most people, HPV clears on its own. But for those who don't clear the virus, it can cause certain cancers. Gardasil 9 is a vaccine given to adults through age 45 that can help protect against certain diseases caused by HPV, including cervical, vaginal, anal, and certain head and neck cancers such as throat and back of mouth cancers and genital warts. Gardasil is a protective form and does not treat cancer or HPV infection. Or doctor screening for certain HPV-related cancers. Cervical cancer, get Gardasil 9 if you've had a reaction to the vaccine. It's clean, it's Tell your doctor if you have a weakened immune system, are pregnant, or plan to be. The most common side effects include injections, tiredness, diarrhea, abdominal pain, and sore throat. Fatigue can also hurt. Copper T blood counts. Talk to your doctor or pharmacist about Gardasil 9.
Okay, le kapag apply le Arizona kapag le ifram hatch ko yama le
Kita dah wala terap ado.
mama
Wala ni.
kuala fara
anh heo rồi là cái là quỷ của bao nhiêu lần nào rồi chua vào rồi cái tiền nó cháy chệ
Celia Palmer, returned to claim your property at Cactus Candy near E1 Gates. Celia Palmer returned to claim your property at Cactus Candy near E1 Gates.
You're scared.